Reggae interviews. Word sound power.
Reggae interviews backstage here at Best of the Best, the 19th edition with the Queen, Nadine Sutherland. How are we doing?
I am so wonderful. I'm happy it's over.
Do you know what? I think that from the moment that you came on with Anything For You, we knew that we are in for a very, very special show.
It really was special. It really was. I mean, when I went on, I was like, okay, the crowd was ready for me, and I was just so excited. A little bit overly excited, I think.
We had the dance moves, the music, the band, everything was just on point.
On point. We were ours. The band was enthusiastic. I was, and it was just phenomenal.
I mean, how important is it for you to be performing at a festival like Best of the Best?
It's the best of the best. So I really was psyched. I've been dancing, go back to dance classes for like a month to get the dance move fine-tuned and to get my stamina up, because I had a flu for like a while, so I never get to do like some background fitness. So I went back and yeah, I did it.
You certainly did do it, because the crowd was with you track after track after track.
And dance after dance after dance. Like I was like when I was dancing and I hear them, whoa, it was very exciting.
But 30 years, Anything For You came out in 1995. Can you imagine 30 years later, you've got people of all ages, generations singing along?
Right?
That's a good feeling,
it's
right?
an honor. It's just an honor to know that I've done music that has lasted and still have the ability to evoke excitement, and that I am able, at my age, to execute these seminal dancehall music songs.
I mean, I think, judging by what we've seen so far on Best of the Best, it's a really good look for reggae music worldwide.
Yes, it is. And I'm so excited for it because, there have been whispers that reggae does a start.
Exactly. I mean, judging by the people and the vibes here, I think that people need to see this for themselves.
Definitely.
2025, you're over in Europe as well. You're going to be coming over to some festivals in Europe, so excited about that?
I'm doing Rotterdam under Mad Professor because I did an album with him, an EP with him. I'm extremely excited. I haven't been to Rotterdam in a while. It's going to be an exciting summer. I have a new song coming out called Ready For Love, which is I'm excited about that song. So, it's turned out to be a hot summer for me.
Well, look, we give thanks for you for just sharing a little bit of an insight into what's happening. We're going to look forward to that forthcoming single, Great Works, and give thanks for that wonderful performance today. It's been a blessing.
And thank you for all your support. We won't talk about it, but I want to thank you for all your support and just being consistent. I appreciate you.
Blessings. All right, cool.
Reggae interviews. Word sound power.